Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Saint Laurent sunglasses model SL436 in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana. On the frame are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a round shape. Its temples are gold and the temple tips are Havana. On its temples you'll also find the Saint Laurent logo in gold. You'll also find the Saint Laurent Paris logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On the inner right temple, you'll find the Saint Laurent Paris logo and the serial number and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is SL436-OPT, the color code, which is 002, and the dimensions of the frame. 49 is for its lens, 22 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Saint Laurent case, a manufacturer booklet, a Saint Laurent black cleaning cloth, and a Saint Laurent envelope, which holds a Saint Laurent card of authenticity and a Saint Laurent booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.